back, guys. So today I'm just focusing on flawless makeup for chocolate skin. Yes, or women of color. You know, I always get a lot of requests to try to you know incorporate darker models and such. So yeah, today I just wanted to focus on just enhancing her natural features, not changing her too much. So this is definitely a makeup look that is on the neutral side, so of course, I start off with the brows as usual, and I'm just cleaning it up right now, and I'll list the specific products used in the description box. Okay, I actually use foundation here, and it was like a shade lighter than her. I use a shade lighter than her for the bottom portion because I didn't want it to really be too pronounced there, and on the top I used something that was closer to it, was much darker, so everything looks way more natural looking. Because now we're moving into priming the skin now. This is the YSL All Hours Foundation, and I think this shade, you know what, I'm gonna list the specific shade in the description box because I honestly don't remember which one it was, but yeah, that's what I'm using now. I don't know if you guys notice, but I made sure to match it to her neck. Now if you notice, the center of her face is lighter than her neck, but it's very important that you at least match the jawline to the neck so everything ties in well. So, and well, basically around the perimeter of her head, because her forehead I use the same shade. Now for the inside portion, for the mid portion of her face, like beneath her eyes, the areas that we usually highlight is lighter. So I went in with another foundation here, and I think this is from my Sacha Cosmetics Kamaflage foundation palette, and this was basically like highlighting, I just went ahead and blended everything out. Now I used the brush. I proceeded to use the brush on the edges of where I started to highlight with the next foundation, because we don't want any harsh lines. We want everything to be seamless, and you can't see where anything starts or stops. Everything should just tie in as one. So that is just what we're doing here. We're blending out everything nice and flawless. Okay, so I went in and I did a sort of contour with my Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation here. And again, I list the specific name or shade in the description box. And this wasn't too far off from the foundation I use for the perimeter of her face. Okay. So now I'm just setting her face, and I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, because you need to make sure that you set all of your creams and liquid, because if you don't do this, it will slip. Okay. So after I'm done with that, I went on to the eyes, and as I said, I kept this neutral as well. So I was just using different brown matte shades for her eyes, gave it a like neutral smoky effect, nothing dramatic at all. Okay, but I started out with just blending the shadows in her crease, and I also went on to tapping some of the same browns onto the lids. Okay, and this also gave the eyes some depth, and I went on the tear duct area with a like golden shade to just kind of open up the eyes a bit. and I proceeded to lining the waterline, the lower waterline, and the upper lash line with some gel liner, after which I proceeded to applying some lashes. Now for the glow, I didn't go over the top with this. I kept it more sun-kissed, you know, like, and you know, that healthy glowy effect. I didn't make it too, you know, blinding. So yeah, because I know there are people out there that, you know, prefer to be on the more natural side. Sometimes you just want to have a flawless look. So that was what this was for. And yeah, the final step, which is the lips. This is what I moved on to. I applied a brown lippy. I don't remember the shade, but as I said, it will be listed below. Yeah, that was the only lippy, well, that was the only shade I used in terms of the lipstick, and then I went over that with a gloss, which I just it just makes everything look so juicy. I just love gloss, guys. You know that, you know, she loved it. It was amazing. We loved it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my little short video on makeup for dark skin today. You know, I'll probably next time I'll try to do a more dramatic look, because I know I'll probably get requests for that, so don't worry. Yes, just wanted to start it off real simple. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.